How to log out Roku. So if you want to log out from your Roku account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Roku. And click on the first search, which is www.roku.com. And then here you can log into your account, right? So if you want to log out of your account, then here on the upper right you will have your account info. Simply you can go for your account info, and after going for your account info, here you will have a lot of options. So on the last option you will have sign out. So if you want to sign out or if you want to log out, then you can simply click on that. And that's it. That's how you log out, or that's how you sign out from your Roku account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.